Hello everyone, welcome back to our session on averages. In this session, we are going to discuss some of the important questions which were given in various competitive exams. Okay, we'll try to solve the first question. Okay, if you see this question, if the average of five consecutive whole numbers is 18, what is the largest number? Okay, see if you go through the previous video, okay, we have discussed about basics on averages. Okay, there are three important ways that we can calculate average. Okay, we'll just recall just for 1 minute what we discussed in the previous video. If you have not watched the previous video, please go through that and watch the video. Okay, so here average can be calculated in three different ways. Okay, first way to calculate average, when the given series is in consecutive numbers, okay, directly we can say that middle number will be the average. And also another way to calculate first number plus last number divided by 2. Okay, if you observe this question, if the average of five consecutive whole numbers is 18, what is the largest number? Here they have given four options and we just need to predict which option will be correct. Okay, so here I will tell you how to solve this question just by using different methods. Okay, the first way, and most of the students will try to solve this question by using normal approach. If you observe this, the average of five consecutive whole numbers is 18. Okay, so here I can take like five consecutive whole numbers, means already consecutive numbers is nothing but like we can take example x. Okay, x plus 1, next x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4. If you observe total, we have five numbers. So here five consecutive whole numbers. I can take x can be any value. Either it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. If x is equals to 1, okay, the series will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If x will be 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, like that we can consider, okay, the consecutive numbers. Now here average of these five numbers is given. What is that average? Average is 18. We know average is 18. Already we have one basic formula for average. Average is equals to sum of numbers divided by total number of numbers. Now if you keep adding these five numbers, the value will be here x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. How many x we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5x plus, and if you keep adding these values, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1 plus 2? 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. So 5x plus 10 divided by total number of numbers. Total how many numbers we have? 5, which is equals to average. Average value already given it as 18. Now we just need to solve this expression to get the value of x. Now here 5x plus 10 is equals to, what is 18 into 5? 18 into 5 is nothing but 90. So 5x is equals to 90 minus 10, which is equals to 80. X is equals to 80 divided by 5. X value is 16. Now here the value of x is 16, and don't directly select the value of option D 16. Why? Because they are not asking us to find what's the value of x. Here if you observe, x is nothing but smallest number in the list. Okay, so don't consider option D is correct. So just read it out the question. They are asking us to find what will be the largest number. In the series, largest number will be x plus 4. Okay, so x plus 4 means already we know the value of x is equals to 16. X plus 4 means 16 plus 4 will gives you 20. So final answer will be 20. So this is how we can calculate this question. But if you keep solving by using this method, okay, means you are wasting your time in examinations. So this method is like normal approach where every students can able to solve this question. Okay, so I will tell you the better approach. Rather than following this approach, I will tell you the better method. Just by looking at the question, we can select which option is correct. Okay, just within 10 seconds or 20 seconds we can able to solve this question. Yeah. Okay, see here I will tell you how the better approach to solve this question. Already in the previous video I told what is meant by average. Okay, if the given series, this is the main keyword, you just need to focus on this word, consecutive numbers. Okay, if the given series is in arithmetic progression means common difference. Okay, when the given series is in arithmetic progression or in the consecutive series, we can directly say that middle number will be the average. Now here if you observe, total we have five numbers, 1 2 3 4 5, total five consecutive numbers. Already we know that average is given as 18, so directly I can say that middle number is average. So I can directly take that middle number is average. Now already we consider that middle number is average, total five numbers. Okay, left side two numbers and right side two numbers, we just need to write it that order wise. Okay, after 18 it will be 19 and it will be 20, and previous number of 18 is 17 and previous number of 17 is 16. So directly when we fix that average is 18, when you know this logic, if the given series is in consecutive numbers, okay, average is nothing but middle number. Directly we can say, we can fix the value of middle number is 18. Why? Because already 18 is given as average. So next number will be 19, next number will be 20. Previous numbers are 17 and 16. And I hope you understood this logic. Now directly we can say that if the largest, if they will ask the largest number, answer is 20. In case if they will ask to find what will be the smallest number, answer is 16. Okay, rather than following these expressions, okay, and solving these expressions, we can save a lot of time just by understanding this simple logic. Average is nothing but the middle number when the given series is in consecutive. You just need to focus on this word consecutive numbers. Okay, and I hope you all are clear with this question, and we'll just move on to the next question. Okay, now if you observe this question, if the average of five consecutive even numbers, okay, and I hope you know the meaning of this even numbers, consecutive even numbers, you just need to focus on this particular word. And from now, all the questions when what we are solving, I will explain you just by using simple shortcut to find the answer. Okay, if the average of five consecutive numbers is 14, what is the product of smallest number and largest number? See, whatever it may be the question that they may ask, okay, we just need to concentrate on the words that they are giving, and we just need to concentrate on the value which is given as average. That's it. Okay, if the average of five consecutive even numbers is 14, okay, already you know that there are five consecutive numbers. Okay, average means middle number, so fixed middle number is 14 for average. Okay, now you just need to concentrate on left side two numbers, right side two numbers, and remember here they have given clearly it is even numbers. Okay, even numbers means here we can take like 2 4 6 8 10 and so on. Okay, these are nothing but even numbers. Now I can't write immediately after after 14, I can't write 15 and 16. If you are writing that 15 and 16, it is wrong. Why? Because these are consecutive numbers but not consecutive even numbers. So we need to fix only consecutive even numbers. Now can you guess what will be the next value after 14? Next even value after 14, which is nothing but 16, and next even value after 16, which is nothing but 18. Now previous numbers, previous two numbers. Okay, what is the previous even number of 14? It is 12, and previous number of 12, even numbers only we need to consider. And the same logic for even if it is odd numbers or even numbers, same logic we need to find. Now this is what the final answers, and no need to consider like x plus 1, x plus 2, or x plus 3. If you are considering that, you are wasting a lot of time in competitive exams. So directly I can say that middle number will be the average. Fix the value of 14 here, and you need to fix remaining, I mean left side numbers and right side numbers. Now here we need to be very careful what is the question that they are asking. Sometimes they may ask to find smallest number or sometimes largest number. Here in this question, what is the product of smallest and largest numbers? Now smallest number is 10 and largest number is 18. What is the product of 10 and 18, which is equals to 180? So option C is correct. This is how we can solve it in a better way. Just by looking at the question, we can understand by better practice. Okay, now we'll just see one more question. Okay, just read it out this question. If the average of 47 consecutive odd numbers is 57, find the largest number. Okay, see here in the previous questions, what we solved, it's just like four numbers or five numbers. It is easy for you to draw five lines, okay, and try to solve it. Okay, but here they are asking us to find 47 consecutive numbers. Okay, if it is 47 consecutive numbers, is that really required to draw 47 lines? No. Okay, is that really to place all the values, all the 47 values? No. Okay, but here the same logic will be applicable. Just understand, if the average of 47 consecutive numbers is 57, here average is given it as 57. How many values they are giving, no need to bother about it. Either it may be 47, sometimes they will give you 77, sometimes crossing 100. Okay, whatever it is the values they are given, but we need to concentrate on average given. Okay, now we all know that average is nothing but the middle number if they have consecutive numbers. Why? Because most of the competitive exams they will concentrate and they are trying to give questions on this consecutive even numbers, consecutive odd numbers, okay, on multiples of 3, consecutive multiples of 3, like that they will give. Okay, the same logic will be applicable for all the similar type of questions. Okay, whatever it may be the count they have given. Okay, see here, middle number will be the average. Now out of 47 numbers, okay, I'm taking middle number is 57, means average. Now can you guess what will be the numbers is there in the left side? Okay, can I say the total left side and right side will be 46? Okay, total it will be occupied with 46. Okay, total numbers are left out is 46 because already one number is placed in the middle. Okay, this is average. Total we need to have 47 numbers. Already one number is fixed. We need to have 46 numbers. Now, how I can separate 46 numbers? Left side 23 and right side 23. Okay, why? Because already middle number is fixed. Now 23 plus 23 will gives you 46 and middle number is 47. Okay, now the count is set it. Okay, now we need to concentrate on what are those left side 23 numbers and right side 23 numbers. Okay, now if you keep on writing here consecutive odd numbers means, let's take example, if it is 57 middle one, okay, what will be the next odd number? Can I say that it is 59? What is the next odd number? Can I say that it is 61, 63, and so on? Okay, means you need to write 23 numbers right side and left side. How many numbers here? If it is 55, next one will be 53, next is 51, and so on. Okay, you need to write 23 left side and 23 right side. Is that really required to write all the numbers? No. Okay, simple logic here. We know the difference between one odd number to another odd number is 2. Okay, likewise, we are writing 23 numbers just multiplied with 2. What is 23 into 2, which is equals to 46? Now, very simple. From starting from 57, we are adding 46. Okay, 57 plus 46 will gives you 103. So, last number, if you write, if you keep on writing, last number will be 103. Okay, just concentrate on this. Last number will be 103. So, they are asking us to find what will be the largest number. That's it. No need to find what will be the left side numbers. We are only concentrating on largest number. So answer is 103. In case if they would have asked what will be the smallest number, process is similar. Here left side also the difference between each, next two numbers will be 2. Okay, why we are multiplying with 2 means odd numbers will come. Okay, the difference between each odd number will be 2. Okay, so here if you observe 23 into 2, 46 again. Now here what we need to do, we need to add or subtract. Of course, we are going back. So 57 minus 46. What is 57 minus 46? Which is equals to 11. The smallest number will be 11. Okay, but in the question they are asking us what will be the largest number. Okay, and if you want to cross check it, in the previous video we told one more one more definition for average. Average is not only about the middle term, it is also the first term plus last term divided by 2. What's the first term here? 11. Last term is 103. 11 plus 103. Okay, what is 11 plus 103, which is equals to 114. Now total sum is 114. 114 divided by 2, which is equals to 57. So is that condition satisfying? 57 is average, first term plus last term by 2. So this is how we can solve in a simplest way. Okay, just by looking, if you have good practice on this particular logic, just by looking at the question, we can guess what will be the correct answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the next question. Yeah, arithmetic mean of the following numbers 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. If you observe this series, okay, can you guess what will be the logic here that they are following? Okay, if you observe this, here 1 1 time is there, okay, 2 2 times, 3 3 times, 4 4 times, and 5 5 times. Okay, 5 5 times, 6 6 times, 7 7 times. Okay, now what is mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is nothing but average only. Okay, arithmetic mean means already we know formula, sum divided by total number of numbers, which is equals to. Now how we can solve this question? We need to add all the given numbers like 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and so on up to all the numbers. We need to add all these numbers divided by how many total numbers we have. Total numbers means n. Okay, like that we need to count and we can find it out what will be the average or arithmetic mean. Both are same. Okay, now if you are adding each and every value, means here we need lot of time to calculate all these values. Why? Because for competitive exams, okay, sometimes calculators won't be available with you to calculate all these numbers fast. Okay, so I will tell you the smart approach to calculate this value. If you observe 1 2 2 3 3 and so on, can I write sum is nothing but 1 plus, okay, what is 2 plus 2? 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 9. 4 4 times is 16. 5 5 times is 25. 6 6 times is 36. 7 7 times is 49, divided by, this is what entire sum of these numbers. Okay, now I will tell you why I'm writing this in that way. Okay, now total number of numbers, how many numbers we have? 1 1 time. Okay, 2 2 times, 2 numbers are there. 3 3 numbers are there. 4 4 numbers. 5 5 numbers. 6 6 numbers, and 7 7 numbers. Or else if you want, you can directly calculate how many numbers are there just by counting the numbers. Okay, now actually we can reduce this step. Okay, I'm writing this step just to make you understand about this. Actually we can write directly here. I can write numerator 1 is nothing but 1 square. Okay, that will not make any sense here. Why? It will gives the same value. Okay, 1 1 square. Now 4 I can write it as 2 square. 9 I can write it as 3 square. And hope you got the logic how I'm writing it. Okay, now here 5 square, 6 square, and 49 is nothing but 7 square, divided by same 1 plus 2 plus 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now here, rather than adding individual values, if you observe this, there will be one logic here, one pattern. Okay, if you observe this, there will be one formula called for, if you observe the values, first 10 natural numbers. Okay, the sum of first 10 natural numbers in the denominator, and in the numerator it is squares. Okay, sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, I'm writing formula here for first 10 natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, and I hope you would have learned these formulas in 10th class. Okay, if you are not remember these formulas, just make a note of this. Okay, for finding sum of squares of first and natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, and hope you all know, you all are familiar with this formula, first and natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. These two formulas that I'm going to use to get that answer in an easiest way. So here, if you observe numerator n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6 by, here first and natural numbers, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Now here n into n plus 1 in the numerator and in the denominator will get cancelled. 2 3 times will go, and here final answer is 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Okay, this will be the final answer. And already we know that what is the value of n here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 is nothing but n. So substitute n is equals to 7 will gives you answer 2 into 7 14 plus 1 15. 15 divided by 3 is equals to 5. So answer will be option B. Okay, this is how we can solve this question. Okay, and in the next video that we are going to cover some more important questions with some more shortcuts. Okay, just keep subscribed to the channel for more videos. Okay, thank you all.